Do you ever eat too fast? Maybe you find yourself rushing through meals, barely taking the time to chew your food properly. Do you finish meals without feeling full? Perhaps you feel unsatisfied, even though your plate is empty. Many of us do. We eat while distracted, barely tasting our food. Whether it's watching TV, scrolling through our phones, or working at our desks, distractions are everywhere. This is mindless eating. It can lead to weight gain and health problems. Consuming food without paying attention can result in overeating and choosing unhealthy options. But there's good news. There's a better way: mindful eating. This approach encourages us to slow down and truly experience our meals. Mindful eating is about awareness. It's about being present in the moment and appreciating the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. It's about savoring each bite. Taking the time to chew slowly and enjoy the experience can make a big difference. It's about listening to your body's hunger cues. Recognizing when you're truly hungry and when you're full can help you make better eating choices. This simple shift can transform your relationship with food. You'll start to see food as nourishment rather than just a necessity. Imagine feeling in control of your eating habits. No more guilt or regret after meals, just a sense of satisfaction and well-being. Imagine enjoying food more than ever before. Every meal becomes an opportunity to indulge in the pleasure of eating. Mindful eating makes this possible. By creating a peaceful environment and focusing on your meal, you can enhance your eating experience. This essay will guide you on a journey to mindful eating. We'll delve into the principles of mindful eating and how you can incorporate them into your daily life. We'll explore its benefits and offer practical tips to get started. From understanding your hunger signals to creating a mindful eating environment, we've got you covered. Are you ready to discover a healthier, happier way to eat? Join us as we embark on this transformative journey towards mindful eating. Mindful eating is simple yet powerful. It's about bringing full attention to the experience of eating. No distractions, no guilt, just you and your food. When you eat mindfully, you notice the colors, smells, and textures of your food. You chew slowly, savoring each bite. You pay attention to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. The benefits of mindful eating are numerous. It can help you lose weight and keep it off, reduce overeating and emotional eating, improve digestion, develop a healthier relationship with food, and increase your enjoyment of meals. Mindful eating is not a diet, it's a way of life. It's about making conscious choices about what you eat and how you eat. Our eating habits are influenced by both our conscious and subconscious minds. The conscious mind is the thinking, rational part of our brain. It sets goals like wanting to eat healthier.
But the subconscious mind is more powerful. It stores our habits, emotions, and automatic responses. This is where cravings and emotional eating stem from.
Think of it like this. Your conscious mind wants to order a salad, but your subconscious, conditioned by years of habit, craves a burger and fries. This is the battle we often face.
Mindful eating helps us win this battle. By bringing awareness to our eating habits, we can start to identify the subconscious triggers that drive unhealthy choices. Ready to incorporate mindful eating into your life? It's a journey that can transform your relationship with food and enhance your overall well-being. Here are some practical tips to get you started on this rewarding path. These simple yet effective strategies can make a big difference.
Start small. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Begin with manageable changes. Begin with one meal or snack a day. Choose a time when you can focus and be present. Focus on eating slowly and without distractions. This means turning off the TV, putting away your phone, and creating a calm environment.
Engage your senses. Eating is not just about taste, it's a full sensory experience. Notice the colors, smells, textures, and tastes of your food. Take a moment to appreciate the visual appeal and aroma before you take a bite.
Chew thoroughly. This simple act can have a profound impact on your digestion and enjoyment of food. Aim for at least 20 chews per bite. This might feel strange at first, but it helps you savor each mouthful. This aids digestion and enhances flavor. You'll find that food tastes better when you take the time to chew it properly.
Listen to your body. Your body has its own wisdom when it comes to hunger and fullness. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied, not overly full. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied, not overly full. This helps prevent overeating and promotes a healthier relationship with food.
Create a peaceful eating environment. The setting in which you eat can greatly influence your eating habits. Turn off the TV, put away your phone, and minimize distractions. This allows you to focus on your meal and enjoy it fully. Focus on enjoying your meal in a calm and relaxing setting. Whether it's soft music or a quiet garden, find what works for you.
Remember, mindful eating is a skill that takes practice. It's okay to make mistakes and learn as you go. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Each step you take brings you closer to a more mindful and enjoyable eating experience. Richard, a busy executive, struggled with his weight for years. His demanding job left him with little time to focus on his health. He ate on the go, often while working at his desk. Fast food and quick snacks became his go-to meals, as they were convenient and required no preparation. He rarely paid attention to his food, using meals as a way to fuel his busy schedule rather than nourish his body. Eating became a mindless activity, a mere necessity to keep going.
One day, I decided to try mindful eating. I realized that my relationship with food needed to change if I wanted to improve my health. I started small, focusing on eating one meal a day without distractions. I chose a quiet place, free from the usual hustle and bustle of my daily life. I began to notice the different flavors in my food and the feeling of fullness in my stomach. Each bite became an experience, a moment to savor and enjoy.
Over time, Richard found himself craving healthier foods and feeling more in control of his eating habits. He started to appreciate the natural flavors of fresh, wholesome ingredients. He lost weight and, more importantly, developed a healthier relationship with food. The changes were not just physical, they were mental and emotional as well.
My story is a testament to the power of mindful eating. It's not just about losing weight, it's about gaining a new perspective on life and health. It's a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Mindful eating taught me to listen to my body, to understand its needs, and to respond with care and compassion. It's about reclaiming the joy of eating and nourishing your body with intention. Every meal became an opportunity to connect with myself and to celebrate the simple pleasures of life. As I embraced mindful eating, I found that other areas of my life began to improve as well. I felt more present, more engaged, and more at peace with myself. Mindful eating was the first step in a broader journey towards a healthier, happier life. It taught me that small changes can lead to profound transformations. Today, I am grateful for the lessons I learned and the positive changes I made. My journey from mindless to mindful eating has been a rewarding and enlightening experience. I encourage everyone to take that first step towards mindful eating. It's a simple yet powerful way to improve your health and well-being. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. Embrace mindful eating and discover the joy of nourishing your body and soul.
Overeating is often driven by emotions, stress, or boredom. We reach for food for comfort, distraction, or simply out of habit. Mindful eating provides a powerful antidote to this cycle. By bringing awareness to our eating habits, we can start to identify the triggers that lead to overeating. Are we truly hungry, or are we feeling stressed, lonely, or bored? When we eat mindfully, we're more likely to notice the feeling of fullness and stop eating when we're satisfied. We become more attuned to our body's natural hunger and satiety cues. Mindfulness also helps us develop a sense of self-compassion. We learn to accept our imperfections and forgive ourselves for slip-ups. This compassionate approach is key to long-term success. You've learned about mindful eating, its benefits, and how to incorporate it into your life. Now it's time to take action.
Start by choosing one meal today to eat mindfully. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and savor each bite. Notice the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. Pay attention to your body's signals of hunger and fullness.
Remember, mindful eating is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. Be kind to yourself, celebrate your successes, and keep practicing.
You have the power to transform your relationship with food and achieve your wellness goals. Start today, one mindful bite at a time.
You can get Richard Trillian Mante's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight from his website richardtmante.com and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, share and subscribe to get future amazing videos.